What you see right here is an latest model of how like these guys, the Sino truck, they are doing massive job around improving technology and working towards sustainability. And when you look at how, you would barely know that they are going to switch into this spectrum of energy generation around their trucks. This is not your regular diesel engine. This is an LNG vehicle, liquefied natural gas running vehicle. This is so cool. This is super cool. I took my time to actually check out this truck and everything was wow. Looking from the engine down to the supply system is just super amazing, right? This is new 2001. Like, they did a massive job here in the chassis, in the construction. Looking from like the carb is huge. It's not like what you know. Look at it, LNG, liquefied natural gas. It's, this vehicle is out for competition because this vehicle, the way it converts into gas to create massive energy to produce massive torque around this vehicle movement is crazy. This dual tank you see right here, each containing 1,000 liter of natural gas, which can take you more than 2,000 kilometer. Like, it's just massive. I tell you, this gas inside here is minus 162 degrees Celsius. Like, very freezy and icy. Just compare it to that in your fridge, which is about minus 10. So it brings stuff out here that is, so icy, like water, in block form. That you can even just naturally put it in your mouth and you're good to go.